Yes, Chase. Your coat? You're gonna be really cold later. All right, in phonics, you should be on a brand new page. Or sorry, science. Looking at the cover of the unit, what are we learning about this unit?
Life and animals. Life and plants. Electricity.
Electricity? No, looking at the cover of the unit, not the book. Yes. Plants.
Hey guys, this is trivia question. What Valentine person was
Botanist.
First King Joseph. See? First King 4:33, verse 8:34. We already learned about plants.
They are living things. We're going to learn more about plants. He spoke of trees from the cedar that is Lebanon to the hyssop that grows in the wall. He spoke also of beasts and birds and reptiles and fish. All the people of all nations came to hear the wisdom of Solomon, from whom all the kings of the earth who had heard his wisdom. So who is the first botanist? Solomon. That's your trivia answer. We are going to be starting our unit on plants. On the top of page 19. If your shirt contains cotton, the cotton came from the cotton plant. Plants are a very important part of everyday life. What else is made from a plant? So you have to draw. Yep. Draw a line to match the products to the plant they came from. So the first picture is a picture of cotton tree. So you draw a line to the T-shirt.
Done. And then you draw the tree and the table, and then you start.
So what do you?
No, you carve a tree.
Sophia?
The second picture goes to the apple juice.
Yep. And the last picture goes to a table, right? There's all kinds of different tables. Hickory, oak, walnut. You can make tables out of all kinds of different woods.
I could make a table out of crackers. It's very fluffy. I can make a table out of paper. I can make a table out of paper.
Botany. Listen. Botany is the study of plants. A scientist who studies plants is a botanist. Botanists study how plants grow and develop. They also collect data to help them improve plant growth and discover new uses of plants. What do plants need to grow? I'm pretty sure. Water. Soil. Sun.
Chemical.
One more thing.
Roundup.
Nope.
No, they don't need Roundup to grow. They need Roundup to get rid of their enemy.
They need something. We all need it.
Air.
Aubrey? Air.
That's easy. I just thought of that. Sunlight, carbon dioxide makes oxygen. Did you know trees make they get rid of carbon dioxide.
Plants have different parts, right? What is this part of the plant? Root. What is the root's job? Sophia? Yep, it gathers the water in the soil. What? Worms help to fertilize the ground, yes.
They poop.
What is this part of the plant?
Stem.
The stem. What is the stem's job?
Hold the plant up.
It actually carries water through the plant, right? And the nutrients through the plant.
Dandelions. Dandelions have a little opening.
How about the leaves? What do you guys think the leaves' job is?
They when it rains, they make air and they also breathe air.
They collect the air and not the water. The sunlight, the air and the sunlight. And they will make food. What about the flower? What do you think the flower is?
Beautiful.
It's not just for beauty. It has a. It does give bees honey. It makes pollen. What does pollen do? Pollen. You need pollen so that you can make new what?
Plants.
New plants, because you got to make seeds or fruit if it's a fruit tree.
My mom, she has a kind of plant that she puts, and she has some seeds, so she collects them off the flower.
On what day did God create the plants? Who knows? Sophia? The third day, you're right. Who did God give the plants to?
Jesus. Everybody.
The people, yep. And the animals for food.
Land, animals, and all that we should need.
So the gift of plants that God gives us tells us about what? About God. That he what? Troy? That he created the earth, that he loves his creation, right? He cares for us. So plants give us food, they give us shelter, they give us furniture. Plants have a lot of important things that they can do. I would like you to turn to the page 20.
Wait, are you going to give us that sheet we have to color?
You're going to be doing something with this at the end of the lesson, yes. Go to page 20.
I'm already at page 20.
God designed plants to use all their parts to help them survive. Write the letter for the correct function next to the part. So letter A goes to the part of the plant that helps make new plants.
Flower.
Right, letter B with the arrow that's pointing to the part that carries water and food to the rest of the plant.
So A to the flower part.
Right, C next to the part that collects the sunlight and air to make food for the plant. Which part of the plant collects the sunlight and air? And then which part of the plant takes up the food and the water?
The roots.
So A should be pointing to the flower, B should be pointing to the stem, C should be pointing to the leaves, D should be pointing to the roots.
Yes.
Everybody did that? B goes to the one that points to the stem. All right, use the words in the word bank to finish the sentences. You will not use all the words. A scientist who studies plants is called a botanist. B-O-T-A-N-I-S-T. Apple juice comes from a plant, and the study of plants is called, Audrey? Botany. All right. So today, you are going to get 3 pages.
It's almost lunchtime. Wow. I can make it like
You are going to get this part. You are going to cut on the black line all the way around. Okay?
Then we're gonna color it.
You can color the flower.
Yes.
You need to cut on these black lines here. Okay?
Why are we gonna cut?
You're not going to cut on the dotted line.
Why else are we gonna cut? All I gotta do is cut on the black line.
And then you're going to cut these apart. And you're going to decide which part supports the plant. What is the main support of the plant? Which part holds the plant in place?
Do we have to color the plants?
Which produces
We don't
seeds?
have to, but
And which makes food for the seeds?
wait, do we have to color? No. We need a book.
No, you don't. You are going to, I'll give you a sheet of paper for you to glue this on.
Now I have close to 10. I'm definitely coloring mine. Yeah, I'm coloring mine.
I'm going to have you, you don't need to. So,
Wait, can I put a science book away?
yep, you can put your science book away.
Wait, do we have to color this?
Yes. You have